Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now look at the headlines. AICC Chief Sonia Gandhi assures Goans to take special status and other important issues with the central government election within 2 months, says Gandhi advises a common consensus on RP between CM and Goenkars. Sonia Gandhi and Defence Minister A.K. Antony lay foundation stone for Vijay Smarak at Fort Aguada, felicitate soldiers who participated on Operation Vijay. Heavy traffic jam in Panaji for Sonia's visit. Buses bringing people from various places to Sabha lead to traffic congestion. People left stranded at bus stops as almost all buses engaged for Kampal trip. It's time to smile. 10 photographers at 10 locations capture 1,000 smiled across Goa on Saturday. Over in sports, Churchill brothers wallop Shillong Lajong 6-0 in the I-League. Displaced Dempo from top of the I-League. Sporting hold Mohun Bagan at the Salt Lake Stadium 1-all. And lack of funds forces Mecwac fabricators to pull out of Goa Professional League Cricket 3. Sarvodaya Royals to decide their fate in the next fortnight or so, says team owner Vilas Desai. And now the news in detail. AICC President Sonia Gandhi has asked the people of Goa and CM to arrive at a common consensus on the regional plan issue. Sonia Gandhi has assured to discuss the special status issue with the union government. Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch and Bharat Swabhiman protested against Sonia Gandhi's visit at Panaji. Bharat Swabhiman activists were arrested by police.
AICC Chief Sonia Gandhi arrived in Goa via chopper of Indian Air Force. She landed on Goa University ground at around 3:50 p.m. Later, Sonia Gandhi with other state Congress leaders visited Fort Aguada for Vijay Smarak ceremony. Addressing a huge gathering of Goenkars at Kampal, Sonia Gandhi spoke on some major issues pertaining to the state. She said that CM and people of Goa should come on a consensus on RP issue. Regarding special status and 3 bridges, Sonia Gandhi will speak to the central government.
Special status for Goa and also the issue of the 3 bridges, and I can only say that I shall certainly put it before the government in Delhi and do all I can to support these demands. A regional plan is an issue which is being discussed, and I am sure that through discussion and consultation with all concerned, there should be the people and the Chief Minister should be able to arrive to a conclusion which is of benefit, not necessarily to my party or your party, but to the state of Goa. I know that there is great concern in Goa on environmental issues, on issues relating to pollution and ecological damage. Our Congress-led UPA government, under the leadership of Dr. Manmohan Singh Ji, has been sensitive to them. Elections of the state to the State Assembly will take place in a couple of months. I do hope that the people of Goa will once again place their trust and confidence in the Congress party.
CM Digambar Kamath has urged Sonia Gandhi for special status to Goa. He also raised issue of Zuari, Tarpan and Galjibagh bridge construction.
Today, I am again requesting Madam to see how best she can help us to give us a special status. There are 3 bridges in the state of Goa which require immediate construction. One is Zuari bridge, one is Galjibagh and Tarpan bridge in the place of Kankona.
Meanwhile, a person sitting in the press block started giving slogans against Congress government. Later, police escorted him outside the meeting venue. Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch protested by showing black flags to Sonia Gandhi on Saturday. They shouted slogans against state government and held Sonia Gandhi responsible for the whole MOI decision.
हांगासर प्रार येता जो इनचार्ज आसा गोंयच्या डेस्काचो तो हांगासर येता आनी भाशेच्या बाबतींत मार्गदर्शन करता. हांगा कपिल सिंबल येता आनी गोंयची भास खंयची अशी मिडियम ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन ताजें इंस्ट्रक्शन दिता आनी हे सगळे त्या सोनिया गांधीच्या काँग्रेसीक लागून जाता.
हो टोकन प्रोटेस्ट करपाचें केलां म्हणजे संख्याबळ हें आमचें हांगाचें उद्दिश्ट न्हय.
Members of Bharat Swabhiman were arrested when they were protesting at Ferry Point in Panaji. They were protesting against Sonia Gandhi's visit. A reporter from Panaji, Laukik Shilkar, Vinod Methar, Sham Sundar Fatte and video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Sonia Gandhi and Defence Minister A.K. Antony laid the foundation stone of Vijay Smarak at Fort Aguada on Saturday. Later, Gandhi attended the felicitation function of soldiers who had participated in the Operation Vijay in 1961.
Congress President Sonia Gandhi along with Defence Minister A.K. Antony laid a foundation stone for Vijay Smarak at Fort Aguada. CM Digambar Kamath, MP Shripad Naik, Kalangut MLA Agnel Fernandez and others were present for the function. Later, Sonia Gandhi and A.K. Antony felicitated the soldiers of Operation Vijay at Kala Academy. 4 soldiers had sacrificed their life during Operation Vijay. Navy, Air Force and Army had freed Goa from the clutches of Portuguese in 1961. Speaker Pratap Singh Rane, MP Francisco Sardin, Rajya Sabha MP Shantaram Naik, PWD Minister Churchill Alemao and Army Chief V.K. Singh were present for the ceremony.
Our security forces are our sentinels. They are our protectors. Operation Vijay, therefore, remains a most significant milestone in the history of the Indian Army.
As Goa is a major tourist destination, and given the pluralistic Goa culture, a strong security umbrella becomes even more essential. Our Navy and Coast Guard, Army all are performing this role. However, there is a need to remain alert and vigilant at all times.
Colonel J.R. Dahiya shared his Operation Vijay movements with Prudent media.
There was hardly any opposition. This was a very simple operation for us. But wherever the Portuguese met, they surrendered or they ran away. Most of them ran away. Goan people were very helpful. They were very helpful. They were encouraging us. They were meeting everywhere. They were in full joy and they were very happy.
Our senior reporter from Panaji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Sonia Gandhi's high-profile visit to Goa resulted in grave inconvenience to Goans. Panaji got congested and suffocated as large number of buses were transporting people for Sonia Gandhi's meeting. There was a total traffic jam in the capital city and it took hours for people to travel from one place in the capital city to another. People were seen stranded at all places in Goa as buses were hired for the meeting.
Look at this Dayanand Bandodkar marg. Traffic was jammed in the entire city right from the afternoon. The road adjacent to Don Bosco was almost packed. People were upset at the collapse of traffic system in the capital city on Saturday. Buses from Maharashtra and Karnataka were roped in for the Sonia's meeting. Even buses from state route were plying to transport activists. Big buses were hired to ply in people, but surprisingly many people did not reach to the Sonia sabha. There were no buses at many places across the state as most of them were engaged for Kampal trip. People were left stranded for hours at bus stops and on road. Some had to hire a taxi to reach their destinations. Our reporter from Panaji, Vinod Methar.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.